Today we're going to learn how some of your favorite drinks can affect the health of your teeth by using everyday household items. So we're going to start off with some eggs. You can use hard-boiled eggs or you can use them without boiling them. The hard boiling does protect them in case they do fall from your hands during this experiment. You'll also need 1 plastic cup for each of your favorite drink choices that you choose for this experiment. Today I'm going to use some water, some black tea that I've already boiled and let sit so that the cup can cool down, and then we'll also be using some Coca-Cola, which is my favorite drink. I'll also be using a Sharpie marker, which you see here, to help me label all of my cups so that way I know exactly what liquid is inside of the cup. So here we have the cups for water, for tea, and for the Coca-Cola. Now I'm going to carefully pour each of the liquids into its matching cup. I didn't measure how much liquid was in the cup, but I filled it up to at least about halfway for each cup. I got thirsty, so I took a sip of my Coke. Now I'm going to carefully place 1 egg inside each cup of liquid. One thing I did notice was that the egg inside of the water and the egg inside of the tea sunk to the bottom, while the egg that was inside of the Coke floated up top with bubbles surrounding it. Now we wait for 24 hours. 24 hours later, and now we're back with our 3 cups and our 3 eggs. So we're going to see exactly how the different drinks that I've used made a difference to the outside of the eggs. So the eggshell is going to represent exactly what could happen to our teeth after continuous consumption of some of our favorite drinks. So first I'm going to take this spoon and I'm going to go ahead in and take out the egg that's in the water cup. The egg looks exactly the same. There's nothing wrong with it. The shell doesn't feel soft. You can see that water does not really do damage to our teeth. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the egg out of the cup of tea. Ooh. And as you can see, this egg here is brown. Okay, so this shows that after continuous consumption of tea, that our teeth can start to get darker in color. This one looks really gross, guys. Look at that. And last but not least, I'm going to take the egg out of the cup of Coca-Cola. This egg has turned dark as well. It actually looks a little bit darker than the egg that was in the tea. So that kind of shows that consuming too much Coca-Cola can really darken your teeth. With the tea, you can kind of scrub it off a little bit after rubbing, but with the Coca-Cola, you cannot. I'm pretty sure the results will vary if you try other kinds of soda, so like maybe Sprite or strawberry Fanta, favorite juices, Hawaiian Punch, Kool-Aid, orange juice. Water does the best for your teeth. Another interesting way to continue on with this project is to use a toothbrush and toothpaste and try to see if you can actually scrub the color off of the eggshells. That can show you if it's going to be easy or hard to remove the stains off of your teeth after continuous consumption of some of your favorite drinks. If you're interested in more videos like this, stay tuned and thanks for watching.